200 meters, arrive at Glendora Camping.
Glendora Campground is one of 2 campgrounds located in the historic village of Hill End in New South Wales, Australia. It is under the care of the National Parks of New South Wales and is the only place that I am aware of where dogs are actually allowed, on a leash, of course. With 60 sites available, 16 of which have power and water, a dump point and a fire pit on each site, you just need to bring your own firewood. During our stay, this little guy came to visit a couple of times, even was able to get close enough to give it some fresh water to drink. Seeing kangaroos and birds are common, especially at dusk when you will hear kookaburras. The amenities block and Barbie are within a short walk from your campsite. Life could not be more relaxing. I'm not quite sure what this old rustic shelter is for, but it would be great to sit here and enjoy a meal with family and friends, watching the sunset on another day after exploring the village, the surrounding area, or fossicking for gold. The amenities block is kept very clean and a security code is needed to enter. Just keep in mind that although everything is here, there is no laundry. And just a couple of other little things to be aware of. If fires are permitted, please make sure they are out before leaving. Be water wise, so no washing of vehicles or caravans. And as for your rubbish, well, either take it with you or dispose of it at the tip located a short drive away. You can find it on Google Maps. I hope you enjoyed this look at Glendora Campground here at Hill End. If you'd like to see more like this and explore other locations, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to tell your friends and family. It's free and it helps more than you know. Till next time, stay safe and happy travels.